Welcome! In front of me I have Realme Watch 3 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. To wake up the screen on our watch, press the side button like this, and after you wake up the screen you should see the current watch face, the home screen. Now press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu, and now you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. Find the watch face you would like to use on your watch and then tap on it to select it and apply it like this. You can also change the watch face through the settings on your watch. So you can wake up the screen by pressing the side button, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel and then tap on the settings icon. In settings, you can tap on watch faces. This will open the watch face menu. You can scroll through it, tap on the watch face to select it and apply it. Another way to change the watch face is to do it through the phone application. So if your watch is paired with a phone, you can use the Realme Link application to change the watch face. So if we take our phone right here, zoom out the camera like this, you can tap on Realme Link application icon to open the app. After the application opens, select your Realme Watch 3 Pro from the list of my devices, then tap on Face Gallery. And here you should see the list of watch faces, basically category called My Faces. And this is the list of watch faces installed on your watch. You can tap on all right here to open the whole category. As you can see, we have up 5 watch faces and we can change them by simply tapping on one to apply it on your watch, like that. And once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.